Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Supabase Edge Functions with no-code detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with connecting Supabase Edge Functions using no-code tools, first, open your preferred no-code platform. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Next, navigate to your Supabase project dashboard. Locate the Edge Functions section in the sidebar. Click on the Create Function button to start building your function. Give your function a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. In the editor, write the logic for your Edge function using the appropriate programming language. Once your code is ready, deploy your Edge function. After deployment, copy the function URL presented in the interface. Now, head over to your no-code platform. Find the area where you can set up an HTTP request. Choose the option to create a new API call or webhook, depending on your platform's terminology. Paste the copied Edge function URL into the designated field for the API endpoint. Select the appropriate method, usually GET or POST, according to how you want to interact with your function. If your function requires authentication, set up the necessary headers with your Supabase API key. Next, configure any parameters or body content needed for your function to execute properly. Test the connection to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Once confirmed, you can integrate this API call into your workflow or application. Monitor your Edge function performance through the Supabase dashboard to optimize as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Supabase Edge functions using no-code tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.